yan. O, di ba, bongga?
Pero sabi ni
ganda ng
Claire
storya.
Castro, wala naman daw sinabi na presidente sa statement si Martin
Ay,
Romualdez.
baka naman mahina ang kanyang comprehension. Siyempre, Castro will just defend Bongbong Marcos. You know, that's her job. Pero obvious ba? It's the executive.
Oo,
Mm.
executive ang kanyang
But,
sinabi.
and I said this in one of my shows, do not forget, Martin, that this is a conspiracy. So it is not correct when you say that all this corruption happened during the executive portion of the budget. This corruption, and I'm saying this, began even before you wrote the budget. They were already selling, brokering, trading projects. And the DPWH, these crooks in the DPWH, they should all hang. They put that in the NEP. Nandyan na yung 30% ng mga kickback. Nandyan na yan even before it reached the office of the president and it became the NEP in the House of Representatives. He cannot say he did not know. Napakatanga mo namang speaker na hindi mo alam that the conspiracy began when you approved that budget na pinasa mo yan, pinirmahan mo yan, gaganong-ganon ka pa doon sa budget, o picture ka pa dyan, smile ka dyan, yay, gaganong-ganon pa siya. O sinasabi mo ngayon na hindi mo pala alam. And the act of one is the act of all. And the first one should be Martin Romualdez. But who's the second one? Di ba si BBM? Pwede bang magka-budget na hindi niya pinirmahan dahil nandun yung 100 billion niya na insertion? What Saldico said, nag-deliver siya ng 25 billion kickback kay BBM.
Pinangalanan ni Martin Romualdez, Jesus Escudero, Zaldico,
why
a
not
small
Grace Poe?
committee.
Bakit hindi si Grace Poe?
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam. That's why I'm asking. Bakit wala ang Finance Committee chair ng Senate? Si Grace Poe na may mga insertions din. Na tumakbo din ng party list yung anak niya. Diba? I mean, ano ba to? Selective ba itong na to? Justice na ito?
Sa lahat ng ingay nito, sa lahat ng mga nangyayari, the war in Iran, itong mess dito na nangyayari sa Pilipinas, ang dami-daming flood control, hirap ng buhay, unemployment.
Ayaw pa rin ni BBM mag-resign.
Is that the solution?
It is the solution. What did Secretary Winnie Monsod, was my professor in calculus economics. Former Secretary Monsod said, I am not optimistic that this administration can still reform and fix our problems because of the people around Bongbong.